driving on track, what have we got to do? Well, first things first, you've got to get yourself comfortable. Make sure you're sat just that little bit further forward towards the steering wheel than you would normally be in your road car. And it's going to give you that little bit more control, being that little bit further forward towards the steering wheel. Getting yourself sat, comfortable, aware of all your surroundings, and really just winding yourself into driving the car on track. The tyres are going to be stone cold to start with, so take it a bit easy to generate that bit of tyre temperature after the first 2 or 3 laps. Have a look at your surroundings, anything that's going to help you or anything that's going to hinder you. In terms of driving, lots of techniques to really help you on track. First things first, try and keep your hands on the steering wheel. Don't move your hands from one position on the wheel and just manage to cross your hands all the way over from lock to lock. It makes it so much more controllable. All the braking needs to be done in a straight line, so slow the car down using the big ceramic brakes in this, crossing the hands into an apex, and then you can unwind and out towards that exit point. Try and lift your vision as much as you can. Look through the corner and all the way out towards the exit. Everything starts happening pretty quick on track because the amount of road that you can use is so much wider than you get out there on the main road. So sometimes that perception of your speed relative to how quick the corner is going to arrive can be quite different. So don't let it catch you out. Make sure you get the car slowed up. Make sure you can get the car in towards the apex, nice and balanced, nice and controlled, and then you can use it on the corner exit. But what an amazing car to drive. The noise that comes from this flat 6 engine is incredible. We can get loads of power as we get the thing stopped, turned, look through, and again back on the gas and let it rev all the way to 9,000. We can steady it up, get it turned, and again on we go, pushing through and accelerating all the way through, braking that traction, full commitment. Hard on the brakes, we need the ceramics, get it stopped and turned, all the road and a bit more. And this car just comes to life, it's asking for more performance all the time. If you're prepared to get on the throttle pedal, it's prepared to give you grip and control. Loads of fun, loads of fun. Now driving on track, you can tell by now we've definitely got some tyre temperature. And one cool thing to look for is to always try and control the pressures. The tyre pressures are going to rise when you drive enthusiastically on track. And it's not the worst idea to get yourself a little tyre pressure gauge, just to bleed those pressures back down a little bit. Find what you think is going to be your optimum, maybe around about 2.2 bar, and as soon as you come in after a session, jump out the car and just bleed those pressures down to 2.2 on your optimum. At the end of the day, it's only the 4 tyres that are on the road that are linking the car to the surface, so it's important to have them in the best operating window. Now this car comes with a variety of tyres on the options list from Porsche. This particular car is on the fantastic Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2. It's very much a race-derived tyre. The grip in these dry conditions is just phenomenal. There we go. There we go. Can't help but smile when you drive this GT3 Porsche. 500 horsepower. Wow, big drift, smoke in the rear tyres. It's everything you want from a car on track. It's still refined, still got everything that you can use it on a daily basis. It's pretty extreme in the GT3 version with the wing, but everybody knows when you see it on the road exactly what it is. Big slides, and off we go again. These bucket seats just absolutely hold you perfectly. A little bit bouncy through there. For anybody that says that you need 700 or 800 horsepower, I challenge you just to drive the GT3, because this is driving at its absolute purest.